I'm going to prepare our food, guys. The slate tray food. Yes. So I will show it to you later, guys. Okay, guys. So these are the things that I'm going to put on this slate tray, guys. Yes. So we have these asparagus. We also have this salsa. This one, guys, courgette and small onions. We also have nuts. Yes, this one. We also have this fig, dried figs. Yes, and almonds, guys. We also have this tuna pate, and we also have this pork pate, and we also have these leeks pate, guys. Yes, we also have these salted biscuits. We also have these breadsticks, guys, and we have these chorizo. We have this longanisa. We have these cheese. We also have this goat cheese, if you remember from my aguinaldo. This one, and this one were in our aguinaldo. And also we have these in wholemeal, guys, wholemeal biscuit. We also have this wholemeal biscuit, and we have also here another cheese, guys. Yes, we bought this one from our favorite ham shop. We also have this one, guys. Yes, this one is already cut. We also have this longanisa. Yes, already cut. And this another chorizo, and this biscuit, and we also have another biscuit here, and we also have these espelta or spelt biscuit. Yes, guys, and another, and we also have these Iberic ham, guys, these Iberic hams. So we have 2 of these, and also we have and also, guys, we have fruits. I wanted to make hummus, but I think it's impossible for tonight. Yes, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow for lunch. And we have also the fruits. We have strawberries, green and red grapes. What else? Yes, so I will show it to you guys. Okay, I'm going to prepare all this stuff and put here. So I'm going to start cutting, guys. I will use the chopping board and I'm going to cut it. Hello, guys, so this is our food. Yes, we have biscuits, breads here. We have salamis, cheese, ham, tomatoes, olives. Hailey is sleepy. Yes. Nuts. Roasted aubergine and peppers. Asparagus and pates. Yes, so let's eat. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Lakota. Daddy, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We are starting our dinner of Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas. Okay, guys, so we are going to eat now. Let's eat, people. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat, everyone. And we wish you a very merry, happy Christmas wherever you are, guys. Merry Christmas. Have a blessed Christmas. Yes, and enjoy your time with your family and loved ones. Yes. Hello, guys. So kain tayo ng dessert. These are the desserts, guys. We have different kinds of chocolate. We also have this one and more here, guys. Yes, but no need to open these ones. Yeah, I think we have enough because it's so sweet. And the Tio is waiting for us, guys. So we are going to open our presents. Yes. Yes.
Tio,
Tio de nada,
canta mis arrancadas, que son saladas, cagan turrones, que son dulces. ¡Bravo!
Where's my mobile, Daddy? My mobile is there.
¡Ole! ¡Mira! El papo un regal.
Hailey.
Ya no la jota, ya. Ya. Y Hailey. ¡Bravo! ¡Bravo! Un llibre. Un llibre.
Yes.
Per qui és aquest? Per qui és aquest?
Per la Cota. Oh!
Hola, que gran! Què és això tan gran? Gràcies.
Molt bé. La Cota també.
Mira, pots estrenar.
Mira, la Cota també. Oh!
Aviam, aviam. Oh, que bé! Què és teu?
Hola, per la Cota, mira, mira, mira.
Hola!
Kagatillo is a wooden log with a smiley face painted onto one end. Kagatillo also wears a traditional Catalan red hat and is basically the Catalan equivalent of Santa Claus. The idea is that Kagatillo is looked after by the kids from 8th of December to Christmas Eve. They cover his rear end with a blanket to keep him warm and feed him turon and orange peel every evening. The more they feed him, the more Christmas presents he will pull out for Christmas. Now you know, guys, the Catalan tradition. This is the Catalan tradition, guys, so it means that only here in Catalonia. Yes, that's the tradition here. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you guys had a lovely Merry Christmas. Bye!